Chapter 9 Volume. In the previous unit, we learnt about the area of a figure and also learnt how to find the area of a given figure. In this unit, we shall learn to measure the amount of space an object occupies. Fill an empty glass with milk. The quantity which is put in glass to fill it is called the capacity of glass, and milk inside it is the volume of milk. Take a Pepsi bottle filled with drink. Note that on the bottle it is written that the quantity is 500 ml. This means that the volume of drink inside the bottle is 500 ml. We make some more observations in our daily life like water bottles, gas cylinders, etc. Observe a brick. You will find that it has some length, breadth and height. It occupies some space. That means it has some volume. Thus, we conclude that each quantity, whether a solid, liquid or gas, occupies a certain amount of space, and the measure of the amount of space occupied by a body is called its volume. Unit of volume. We know that a square is a unit region for measuring area. Similarly, we measure a solid by a unit of cube. A cubical region whose one edge is 1 mm or 1 centimeter or 1 meter is taken as a unit space region or the standard unit of measuring the volume. See the figures. 1 millimeter cube, 1 centimeter cube, 1 meter cube. If the edge of a cubic region is 1 millimeter, we say that its volume is 1 cubic millimeter. We can write it as 1 cu.mm. or 1 mm cube. Similarly, if the edge of a cubic region is 1 centimeter, we say that its volume is 1 cubic centimeter or 1 cu.cm. or 1 cm cube. Similarly, if the edge of a cubic region is 1 meter, we say that its volume is 1 cubic meter or 1 cu.m. or 1 m cube. So, we conclude that volume is expressed in terms of cubic units. Volume of a cuboid. Let us find the volume of a cuboid by drawing the standard cubes in it. Here are some examples. 1. Look at the cuboid. Its length, breadth and height are 5 cm, 1 cm and 1 cm respectively. How many standard cubics of side 1 cm have been drawn in it? 5. We say the volume of the cuboid is 5 cubic centimeters. Also, length into breadth into height is equal to 5 into 1 into 1 is equal to 5 cubic centimeter. 2. In the adjacent figure, two cuboids of figure 1 have been placed side by side. Length, breadth and height of the new cuboid so obtained are 5 centimeters, 2 centimeters and 1 centimeter respectively. Count the standard cubes of side 1 centimeter drawn in it. Clearly, there are 10 cubes. We say the volume of the cuboid is 10 cubic centimeters. Also, length into breadth into height is equal to 5 into 2 into 1 is equal to 10 cubic centimeters. 3. In the adjacent figure, 6 cuboids of figure 1 have been arranged side by side and one above the other. The length, breadth and height of the new cuboid so obtained are 5 cm, 2 cm and 3 cm respectively. Count the standard cubes of side 1 cm drawn in it. There are 3 layers of cubes. Each layer has got 10 cubes. So, total cubes is equal to 3 into 10 is equal to 30 cubes. We say the volume of the cuboid is 30 cubic centimeters. Also, length into breadth into height is equal to 5 into 2 into 3 is equal to 30 cubic centimeters. From the above examples, we conclude that volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height cubic units. While finding the volume of a cuboid, the length, the breadth and the height should be in the same unit. If the length, breadth and height are given in millimeters, centimeters and meters, we get the volume in cubic millimeters, cubic centimeters and cubic meters respectively. Example 1. Find the volume of a rectangular solid whose length is 30 centimeters, breadth 25 centimeters and height 15 centimeters. Solution. Length of the rectangular solid is equal to 30 centimeters. Breadth of the rectangular solid is equal to 25 centimeters. Height of the rectangular solid is equal to 15 centimeters. Volume of the rectangular solid is equal to length into breadth into height cubic centimeter is equal to 30 into 25 into 15 cubic centimeters is equal to 11,250 cubic centimeters. Example 2. The length of a cuboid is 4 meters, breadth 40 centimeters and thickness 30 centimeters. Find the volume of the cuboid in cubic centimeters and cubic meters. Solution. A. Length of the cuboid is 4 meters is equal to 400 centimeters. Breadth of the cuboid is equal to 40 centimeters. Thickness of the cuboid is equal to 30 centimeters. Volume of the cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height is equal to 400 into 40 into 30 is equal to 4,80,000 cubic centimeters. B. Length of the cuboid is equal to 4 meters. Breadth of the cuboid is equal to 40 centimeters is equal to 40 by 100 meters is equal to 0.4 meter. Thickness of the cuboid is equal to 30 centimeters is equal to 30 by 100 meters is equal to 0.3 meter. Volume of the cuboid is equal to 4 into 0.4 into 0.3 cubic meter is equal to 0.48 cubic meter. Remember that while finding the volume of a cuboid, we first check whether the length, breadth and height are given in the same units or not. If not, we change them into same units first and then find the volume of the cuboid. Volume of a cube. We know that A cube is a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are equal. So, instead of saying the length, breadth and height of a cube, we will say the side of a cube. All the sides of a cube are equal. We have already learnt that volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, cubic units. Therefore, volume of a cube is equal to side into side, cubic units. Example 1. Find the volume of a cube whose side is 8 centimeters. Solution. Side of the cube is equal to 8 centimeters. Volume of the cube is equal to side into side, cubic centimeters, is equal to 8 into 8 cubic centimeter is equal to 512 cubic centimeters. Example 2. A brick measures 25 centimeters in length, 15 centimeters in breadth and 8 centimeters in height. How many bricks are required to build a wall whose length, breadth and height are 10 meters, 4 meters and 48 centimeters respectively? Solution. If volume of one brick is equal to 25 into 15 into 8 cubic centimeters, the volume of the wall is equal to 10 meters into 4 meters into 48 centimeters is equal to 1000 centimeters into 400 centimeters into 48 centimeters is equal to 1000 into 400 into 48 cubic centimeters. If volume is 25 into 15 into 8 cubic centimeters, then number of bricks is equal to 1. If volume is 1 cubic centimeter, then number of bricks is equal to 1 by 25 into 15 into 8. If volume is 1000 into 400 into 48 cubic centimeters, then number of bricks is equal to 1000 into 400 into 48 by 25 into 15 into 8 is equal to 6400. So, number of bricks required is equal to 6400. Memory box. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 cubic meter is equal to 100 into 100 into 100 is equal to 10 lakh cubic centimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 10 into 10 into 10 is equal to 1000 cubic millimeter. Do these. 1. Find the volume of the cuboids whose dimensions are given below. Problem solving. Two. Find the volume of the following cubes whose sides are given. Problem solving. Three. Solve the following problems. Problem solving. Four. The unit used in the following figures is: find the number of cubic units volume in each figure.
Reasoning proof.